they make these like specialized water jars that have a little thing at the bottom for you to scrub your paintbrush on to like get the paint out. I already have jars that work, so I don't want to get one. So I thought, why don't I make one? So here I'm modeling in Fusion 360, something I'm just kind of like making up as I go. I had a general idea. And it's gonna go at the bottom of my paint jar. I really hope it fits. I measured. And I'll just stop talking now. I feel like it turned out pretty good. This is about only my 5th or 6th time using Fusion 360, so for having only used it a handful of times, I feel like it turned out pretty good. So I'm going to send it over to the slicer program and get it sliced up for 3D printing. Basically, this just like converts it into the layers so the printer can read the code and then print it out. Overall, this was about an hour and 40-minute print. Using little to no supports definitely sped up the process. While this was already like halfway through the printing process, I realized I measured the bottom of the jar. The opening is smaller. Small one fits, that one's fine. If this video gets to 500 likes, I'll print a new big one, and I'll test them out in another video. Bye.